The Chinese have announced that they're going to go to the moon. In fact, they will probably beat the United States.
Michio Kaku just revealed NASA's terrifying discovery on the moon. Did you know that the moon landing is real and has ignited a global race? Superpower countries like the US, China, and Russia are fiercely competing to explore its mysteries, paving the way for groundbreaking scientific discoveries and potential colonization. So without wasting any valuable time, let's dive into this rabbit hole. The moon landing is a real and monumental achievement in human history. The Apollo missions, particularly Apollo 11 in 1969, confirmed that humans had indeed set foot on the lunar surface. The significance of this event cannot be overstated, as it marked a new era of space exploration and opened up possibilities for further scientific discoveries. Since the moon landing, there's been a renewed interest in exploring Earth's satellite, and it has sparked a race among superpower countries to uncover its mysteries. Nations such as the United States, China, and Russia are actively engaged in lunar missions, aiming to gather more knowledge about the moon's composition, geological features, and potential resources. The moon holds great scientific and strategic importance, and its exploration has become a priority for these countries. Not only does it provide valuable insights to the formation and evolution of our solar system, but it also presents opportunities for future space exploration and potential colonization. With advancements in technology and the availability of new resources, the race to explore the moon is intensifying. Each superpower country seeks to gain a competitive edge and assert its dominance in space exploration. As a result, we can expect more exciting discoveries and advancements in our understanding of the moon in the coming years. Recent expeditions to the moon have unveiled a series of astonishing discoveries. These findings have challenged our previous understanding of Earth's satellite and sparked a wave of scientific excitement. From the detection of unexpected lunar geological formations to the identification of water ice in permanently shadowed regions, these revelations have reshaped our perception of the moon. The exploration has yielded valuable data on the moon's potential as a future resource for space missions and lunar colonization. These shocking discoveries not only provide fascinating insights into the moon's history and composition, but also open up new possibilities for human exploration and scientific research in our celestial neighbor. The ongoing exploration of the moon promises even more surprising revelations in the future. In a significant milestone for China's space exploration program, the country has successfully launched a robotic spacecraft to the moon and accomplished the ambitious task of collecting lunar samples. This feat places China among the elite group of nations, including the United States and Russia, that have achieved this remarkable feat. The mission, named Chang'e after the Chinese moon goddess, marks a crucial step in China's long-term plan to establish a permanent presence on the moon. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology and scientific instruments, the spacecraft conducted a precise landing on the lunar surface, allowing it to gather valuable samples from the moon's regolith. These samples hold immense scientific significance as they provide crucial insights into the moon's composition, geology, and evolution. Moreover, they pave the way for future lunar exploration and potentially support the development of lunar resources. China's successful lunar sample collection mission highlights the nation's growing prowess in space exploration and their commitment to pushing the boundaries of scientific knowledge. It sets the stage for further advancements in lunar research and bolsters international cooperation in exploring the mysteries of our celestial neighbor. The military aspect of space exploration is an important facet that cannot be overlooked. As nations race to explore space and establish a presence beyond Earth, the military plays a significant role in ensuring national security interests. Satellites provide crucial communication, reconnaissance, and surveillance capabilities that enable effective defense strategies. Space-based assets have become integral to modern warfare, and countries strive to maintain a strategic advantage in this domain. Space exploration has dual-use potential, where civilian and scientific missions can also contribute to military capabilities. As a result, nations carefully consider the military implications of their space programs, ensuring that they possess the necessary infrastructure, technology, and policies to protect their interests and assert their dominance in this new frontier. Superpowers like Russia and China are actively engaged in the development of hypersonic drones, marking a significant advancement in military technology. These unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, possess the capability to travel at incredibly high speeds, typically exceeding Mach 5. Hypersonic drones offer numerous advantages, including increased maneuverability, rapid response times, and the ability to penetrate enemy defenses with relative ease. The development of hypersonic drones by these superpowers has raised concerns among other nations, as they possess the potential to revolutionize warfare. These advanced drones can carry out a wide range of missions, including surveillance, reconnaissance, and precision strikes, while operating at altitudes and speeds that can make them difficult to detect and intercept. The pursuit of hypersonic drone technology by Russia and China represents their commitment to achieving military superiority and maintaining a competitive edge in the global arms race. As a result, other countries are also investing in research and development to keep pace and ensure their national security interests are protected in this rapidly evolving technological landscape. The U.S. Space Force plays a crucial role in safeguarding critical assets and mitigating the risk of an uncontrolled arms race in space. Established in 2019, it is a branch of the United States Armed Forces dedicated to space operations. The Space Force actively works to protect U.S. satellites, communication systems, and other space-based assets from potential threats, both terrestrial and extraterrestrial. By maintaining a strong presence and surveillance capabilities in space, the U.S. Space Force aims to deter adversaries and promote responsible behavior among nations. It plays a vital role in ensuring the freedom of navigation and preventing the militarization of space, thereby reducing the likelihood of an uncontrolled arms race that could disrupt global stability. Through its strategic planning, advanced technologies, and cooperation with international partners, the U.S. Space Force strives to maintain a peaceful and secure space environment for all nations. Its efforts are focused on defending U.S. interests, deterring aggression, and promoting international cooperation to address space-related challenges effectively. Private individuals like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos are spearheading a new era of space exploration, driving forward innovative initiatives and pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Through companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin, these visionary entrepreneurs have revolutionized the space industry by developing reusable rockets, cutting-edge technologies, and ambitious plans for missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Their efforts have not only brought a renewed sense of excitement and enthusiasm to space exploration, but have also sparked competition and collaboration among both private and government entities. By leveraging their entrepreneurial spirit, financial resources, and long-term vision, Musk and Bezos have accelerated progress in space technology, making it more accessible, affordable, and sustainable. Their contributions have paved the way for new possibilities, from commercial space travel to satellite deployment and scientific research. In a significant discovery, water has been found on the moon's surface in the form of glass beads collected by China's Chang'e 5 mission. This finding has profound implications for our understanding of the moon's history and its potential as a future resource. The presence of water on the moon is a crucial component for future lunar missions and the establishment of sustainable human presence. Water can be utilized for various purposes, including drinking, oxygen production, and the generation of rocket fuel through a process called lunar water electrolysis. The discovery of water in the glass beads provides valuable insights into the moon's geological processes and the availability of water across its surface. It suggests that there might be other hidden reservoirs of water on the moon, possibly in the form of ice within permanently shadowed regions of craters. This finding also highlights the importance of continued exploration and scientific research on the moon. As space agencies and private companies intensify their efforts to return humans to the moon and eventually establish lunar bases, the presence of water offers new possibilities and challenges that will shape future missions and pave the way for sustained human exploration and utilization of Earth's celestial neighbor. The recent discovery of water in sunlit regions of the moon by NASA's Stratospheric Observatory for Infrared Astronomy, or SOFIA, marks a significant milestone in our understanding of lunar water and its implications for future space exploration. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the fascinating world of lunar exploration, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content, and thank you for watching.